Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic is Madhubani art. This is for the month of December. So for the Madhubani art, just you should draw the basic outline. Here I am drawing a fish. The outline is very important. To complete the body, draw the tail. Do it everything with the basic simple shape. After completing the outline, you should draw the design inside. There is no any rules, terms and conditions to use only these kinds of design. This is a first trial, so you should draw the design. So as like a beginner, you are doing a first time a Madhubani art. Use always a basic shapes and simple strokes. Always make it easy and simple. And don't do the design very small, very unique, because you should use a watercolor. A minimum amount of space is required to use a watercolor. So your art is completed now. We'll start work with the watercolors. A brush, watercolor and a bowl water is required to start the work. See here, there is no light and shade anything. You should color completely flat, how I'm doing here. And also the line flow is very important. You should use watercolor only, don't use fabric or poster color. Whichever the color you are using, you should fill it like this. So when you are going for the next color, you should give a gap in between. It means the design we have no, instead of going for the next for that petals to color, leave that petals and do it for the next theme like this. Leave that in between design, because if you are using the color next to next, it will overlap. So leave some time to dry and then you can cover it. So fill completely, don't leave any light and shade. Don't use only water or dry wash or wet wash technique. Use the colors always, it's very attractive colors. Okay. Here our Madhubani art is completed. We'll go for the next topic. The second topic is creative drawing. This is for the month of December. So just draw a curve like this. Don't give straight lines, always should be a curved line. Do it with a pencil. Don't rewrite and all. However you like to flow it. And take a black pen. Let it be a ball pen or an ink pen, whichever it may be. Don't take a crayon or color pencil. Take a pen. Here I am using a black ink pen. You can go for the ball pen also. Don't use a sketch pen. You should use ink pen or a ball pen. Just observe what I am doing. I'll explain it again. So observe here very carefully where that gap is there, the design is there, where we drawn the pencil. I'm using that as a shape. Once I started from the one point, any point in any corners you can start, and I'm not going to end it the complete line flow. I'm just doing like a squirrel. Okay, the minimum amount of space what we are maintaining, that is very important in this creative drawing. You can see I'm showing it very clearly. Okay, like this. So this is what the flow you should use for all the block. Here observe it once again. So this is how the shape I'll start. So like this you should complete in a different space. So like this you should complete all the shapes. It looks so attractive, right? So your creative level will increase, your thinking level is also will be increased. So this is a one wonderful art, also called as a abstract art. Okay, so our creative drawing art is completed. We'll go for the next topic. It's a third topic, dry wash. This is for the month of December. So draw the line exactly in the center and for the sun, and erase it very lightly where the stroke only you can able to see, and remove the dust. Here a plain water is not required to apply because we are not doing a wet wash. Here we are using a technique called dry wash. So you can use directly the color. Here I am using a red color. Don't make your brushes so dry. Always it should be wet. Use it red color. And yellow color, and merge in between, it will give a orange color. A red and yellow if you mix, even this technique we learned in a color wheel. Yes. And then take red directly and apply to a sun. And use yellow to make that sunset was sun is look like an orange, and merge and blend properly in the border. And once it completed, we'll go for the bottom. Here I'm using completely a ocean, so I'm using a blue color. See how I'm using here, you should use completely like this. So once a water is set, leave it for dry and use red and yellow in a water, it's a reflection. So here dry wash is completed. The first topic we learned is Madhubani, and the second topic we learned creative drawing, and the third topic we learned dry wash. Thank you.